In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thin text in Card. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to give your site a lighter, sleeker type look using Card's built-in controls. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along step by step. First, open your browser and head to Card. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to your Projects hub where all your sites live. Find the project you want to edit and click it to open the builder. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the one where you want the thinner text applied. Inside the builder, click the text block you want to adjust. This could be a headline, a subheading, or a paragraph, any block that contains editable text. When you select it, you'll see the editing panel appear. That panel is where all the design controls live for the selected element. In the panel, switch to the Appearance tab. This is the section that controls how your text looks. Things like font, size, line spacing, and the setting we need for this tutorial. Weight. Appearance is your styling control center, and it updates in real time so you can see changes instantly on your canvas. Now find the weight control and move the slider toward the lighter end. As you drag, watch the preview on your page. You'll see your text become thinner and more refined. If your chosen font supports multiple weights, you'll get a smooth transition from normal to light or thin. If you don't see a big change, that usually means the font you're using doesn't include ultra-light variants. In that case, try a font family known for having light weights, then return to the weight slider and adjust again. The goal is a clear, readable, thin look, not so light that it becomes hard to see. Keep an eye on contrast with your background and test how it looks at different sizes. A quick tip, lighter weights can make text appear smaller, so you might want to slightly increase the size of headings while keeping paragraphs comfortably legible. Also, preview on mobile if possible, since thin text can look different on small screens. When you're satisfied with the result, click Done. That applies the changes to the selected text block in the editor. You can continue editing other elements or wrap up as you normally would. And that's it. You've just given your Card site a crisp, thin text style using the Appearance tab and the weight slider. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your design.